In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voting buttons in Microsoft Outlook. This is a really handy feature when you need to gather opinions or get decisions from a group quickly and efficiently. So let's dive into the process and take it step by step. First, you need to go to your Microsoft Outlook application. It's best to start with a blank slate, so make sure you're on the main screen. You can find Outlook as a part of the Microsoft Office suite. Once you have it up and running, you're ready to begin the process of setting up your email with voting buttons. Next, you'll head over to the option labeled New Email. This button is usually prominently displayed on your toolbar, and it's your gateway to composing a new message. Click on that, and you'll see your usual email composition window pop up. At this point, you can start writing the message that you want to send to your recipients. Here's a quick tip. Make sure your email is clear and concise so the recipients understand exactly what their vote is regarding. Now that you have your message ready, what you want to do is navigate to the Options tab in the toolbar at the top of the window. This tab provides a variety of features that can enhance or modify your email, one of which is the Voting Buttons feature. Click on Options and then look for a section that says Use Voting Buttons. It might not immediately stand out, so take your time to explore that area carefully. Once you locate the Use Voting Buttons feature, click on it. You'll see a drop-down menu appear with predefined options like Approve, Reject, Yes, No, or Yes, No, Maybe. Depending on the context of your email, you might find these preset choices suitable. However, if they don't quite fit what you're aiming for, there's an option for that too. You can create custom voting buttons by selecting the Custom option in that menu. This is particularly useful when your voting topic is unique and requires specific responses beyond the standard yes or no. After selecting or creating your voting buttons, your email is now ready to be sent out with this added functionality. When your recipients receive your message, they'll be able to interact with the voting buttons, making it simple for them to provide their input directly through the response options you've set. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created an email with voting buttons in Outlook, making it much easier to collect responses and make group decisions. This feature is incredibly useful for all kinds of decision-making scenarios, from coordinating schedules to gathering opinions on a proposal. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.